the city of Rzeszów has problem with its emission of particulates and noise. Operation of CNG buses in Rzeszów began in 2004. There is short information about this. There are operating 185 buses, including steam, under pressure free 5 bus. We have such project prepared, and if you will receive money only for this, it's possible to make this investment. Second, injection to biome.
Okay, thanks. Thanks again. Ja oleme jõudnud oma kangelasliku pika tööpäeva siis viimase ettekande juurde. Jaanus räägib ise ja üks tingimusi, et ma siin enne koolipausi üle
minu poolt ka, et tõesti me oleme oma ajakava ületanud ja selle pärast üle uuringu, mille me tegime siis biogaasi busside kasutusega võtu kohta, mis teostamas uuring. Et ma numbritel pikalt ei peatu, tähendab need ettekanded 24 bussiliini. Reise käive oli siis koos meeldivate huvigruppide vahel on see siis kes iganes, et hea koostöö kannab vilja, seda me oleme oma senises tegevuses ka juba kogenud. Nii, ja kokkuvõtteks...
I think it's quite obvious that Tartu City, it's not a question if, it's only a question when Tartu City will be the cleanest city in Estonia and probably in the region. But we would very much like to see competition from other cities then to faster get to the same results. And this was definitely the feeling we had when we started working together in this project 5 years ago, even though the project started 3 years ago. The planning and all those things started 5 years ago, and all the time become, I think, the partners in the projects, everybody has been working in the project, has been more and more impressed with what had happened in Tartu. And John's presentation now shows definitely that.
Väga soovin, et gaasivaldkond ja gaasitransport ja eriti muidugi biogaas leiaksid laialdasemalt kasutamist ja et me seminar ka täna sellele oma väikse tõuke juurde andis.